Times, the old saying is true. The show must go on. And it did, for a full year. Though you should know it wasn't easy. It wasn't the same.
Ole, tonight in UFC, Usman versus Masvidal. Tun chol niya lo umbay tour. Countdown tang doon niya to the UFC fans. Ti niya, inge Las Vegas arena fight doon na. Atung kat hunray takatang atung kat natan fans mo. Fans sing di chuang in amuna anen doon. Ani chuchu tuna hian kan lo react doon ani. Lo enjoy lang Masvidal kechon kachana tungin tranzok. Comment section na kanin lo say doon niya Masvidal Usman chu kachan lo kachan tawa. Ama chu kechu Jorge Masvidal, the game bread. The street Jesus santi hi kachana ni. Ampon kate thiam kate. Ti mai la nge amizia te engkim kadu. Mama hi pa katia mtazia. Kadu zombie takania. Enang le.
Something was missing. Someone was missing.
Thank you all for the support.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for having me.
We've missed you immensely. We've missed your passion. It's been 414 days since we could all be together in a packed house. And history was made that night last March in Las Vegas, when Zhang Wei Li and Joanna Jędrzejczyk poured their hearts into the greatest female fight.
Hemi tumi tilpakacho hemi tumi Zhang Wei Li. Ein tum don bukani. Hemi hian title fight patum dona. Masvidal Usman aniyanga. Zhang Wei Li le Rose Namajunas di kanya. Chuan pakat le katuk title fight thau ka. Jessica Andrade le Valentina Shevchenko. Let's hear it.
In UFC history.
What a fight!
One snapshot in time, one lasting image among so many. But we didn't cherish it because we didn't know that the world was going to change forever. It's your voice that fuels the fight game. It carried Stipe Miocic in front of his hometown of Cleveland and Alexander the Great as he made his way to the octagon in Stockholm. It gave us goosebumps when Nate Diaz made his return in Anaheim. And when you brought the house down as the California Kid gave Sacramento one last farewell. It's your exuberance that makes a UFC event like no other on earth.
This place is deafening!
It's your passion on pins and needles before a main event that becomes transformative. A shared experience, a ceremony in which we gather as witnesses. We are in this together, and we've always been. We know the fight is real. The fight.
Sports chuan football te cricket te kangaina basketball te poken thowa tennis ken boka boxing ken tamboka chuanin sports chu ken do vek ka do vek kanin vain ma si UFC ang MMA ha po UFC organization mo Bellator te chu di chuang lo UFC ang MMA sports kang ngai na ti ko vela anom lo mak tu kamis ngai lo chopo ko lo top zel ka chung ten mi lo ai san ti khan chol ni apo chol ni ni me ya chu hun chu som pakata te top ta da saria tian trana tlang puin chu chu nia da ko da chan ve mo da ko chung tan chon ei chon alo ero kala ei pe lo hei min ti boy ke chon min ti nge ke la ti boy ka ti thin so ka ei lo thin to ti me yang ei lo tlang ni lo win ke en zo vek nuwa da som pa dia te so ke chu ti khop chuan UFC fan group kol kan ni via a shiat po ka sa via rules te en kim me kamis ngai lo ni chuan tin ka favorite player plakhat retired to chu Khabib ania Khabib retired to poi ka ti ma ala thalai chawa la chak don chawa record bon te reng nen non det le se ka dungon me dana ko ti na thlem na sa thlem na sa tuk ma se apa thi to a chung ko respect ni anuin khel to lo tu ti anu thu thlok na kha pom ma engza million lo po min pe la ka khel thei to lo ni ka nu thu ko so ngai ni ti top mai ni ka ngai sa nga kha bi phi tren ka chona a fight a boring chu ti khati an tia MMA je chu mixed martial arts and boxing kan lawa in sual in ne karen kot en tu boxing en me ro ko tin in bon re nga po ama in bon ni chu mu big dominant be ma tu je bera chuan de ka tiang a khel dan tur an chalok vek thina di entinan Justin Gaethje te Michael Johnson te Conor McGregor te Tony Ferguson te Dustin Poirier te le mi dang te pon akhel dan a strategy kan shaba kani min bon don min ti kha an shalok vek chung tho kan an ne thei chung lo ni probably one of the best striker anti Tony Ferguson led Conor McGregor bon ti ga nan chalo tin enge grappling travel to wrestler ni be tho wrestling nei thadu to ground game nei thadu to me kha Michael Johnson te Al Aquinta mane wrestler thadu to pon Khabib pa din tum ka chon answer nei lo ground game akhan no answer ti ga ina chalo ma ti ga dominant em ni tu bang chon Khabib hi chu bon wrestling ai mai ni ti kha sam sambo ya bon ka ti ya ro pui thiam tharu manga boka thaem em ni chantin a striking hi an underestimate na sada tuk Khabib pas nge boxing hi punch thal tuk Conor McGregor pa na kluk top me khawi khat an underestimate thina chuba ka fighter tam lightweight division fighter tam tak khen Khabib hi an hlau dik tak chon they are scared of them Enzela
It's in all of us, and it connects us. When we see 3 titles change hands in Madison Square Garden, there's nothing like saying, I was there. Just as there's no better feeling in the world than turning to the person next to you to ask, did that just happen?
Oh my goodness!
Incredible moments. Improbable outcomes. Invaluable memories. We are forever united in our pursuit of awe. You've been there when fighters snatch a victory from the jaws of defeat, and you've been there to provide the sustenance when it was needed most. You've loved what it's yours. You've celebrated with your heroes. You've made electricity itself turn green before our very eyes. You've made magic through concentrated belief.
Oh! He slapped him!
UFC fans are one of a kind, and we have missed you. Your anticipation is the charge in the air. We all want to know how it unfolds, to get to the bottom of who's the best, who can stand up to the scrutiny, who can own the moment when all eyes are on them and transcend that moment, because you are part of the transcendence. You are the electricity in the building, the life of the party, and the irreplaceable energy in the room. You are the reason the UFC is what it is today. And as the show rolls on, you should know, we've missed you dearly. From the bottom of our hearts, here are the 2 words we've been waiting over a year to say. Welcome back.
Thì rằng cả nhé.